Part 2, Chapters 9 and 10 of 1984 by George Orwell, plunge the reader deeply into the climax of Winston Smith's rebellion against the party and his desperate quest for truth and freedom within the repressive regime of Oceania. These chapters are pivotal for both the development of the narrative and the broader commentary Orwell seeks to make on totalitarianism, power, and human resistance. Chapter 9 details Winston's engagement with the book, a forbidden text titled The Theory and Practice of Oligarchical Collectivism by Emmanuel Goldstein, the ostensible leader of the rebellion against the party. After receiving the book during a covert exchange, Winston retreats to the rented room above Mr. Charrington's shop, a place he and Julia have come to see as a sanctuary from the omnipresent eyes of the party. As Winston reads, both he and Julia, who joins partway through, are exposed to the ideological underpinnings of the party's control, as well as a critical analysis of war, the class struggle, and the mechanisms of oppression in Oceania and beyond. The text of the book serves multiple narrative functions. It offers a meta-commentary on the novel's themes, provides critical historical context to the story world, and catalyzes a shift in Winston's understanding of his own resistance. He realizes that, while he possessed an intuitive grasp of the how behind the party's power, what he yearned for was the why, the deeper rationale behind their relentless pursuit of control. Chapter 10 delivers a stunning blow to Winston and Julia's nascent hope and rebellion. Their supposed safe haven, the room above Mr. Charrington's shop, is revealed to be a trap when they are suddenly exposed by a hidden telescreen behind a picture on the wall that ominously pronounces, "You are the dead." The ensuing scene is charged with betrayal and despair as Mr. Charrington is unmasked as an agent of the thought police, and the illusion of privacy and safety is shattered. The symbolic glass paperweight, a token of Winston and Julia's fragile attempt to create a private realm of meaning and connection, is smashed during their arrest. Its breaking symbolizes the shattering of their illusions and the invasive reach of the party into the most intimate aspects of their lives. These chapters critically encapsulate the themes of 1984, intertwining the personal with the political to elucidate the mechanics of totalitarian control and the illusion of resistance within such a system. The inclusion of the book within the novel allows Orwell to explore dense political theory and critique through the lens of his fictional narrative, enriching the reader's understanding of his dystopian world. Meanwhile, the dramatic turn of events in Chapter 10 underscores the futility of personal rebellion in a society where surveillance and betrayal are woven into the very fabric of social relations. Orwell uses these chapters to dissect the psyche of resistance within a totalitarian regime and to underscore the pervasive effect of fear and betrayal. Winston and Julia's capture is not just a physical subjugation, but a profound psychological blow, a violation of their last vestige of privacy and hope for an alternative life. This devastating realization that there is no escape from Big Brother's surveillance, no real privacy, and no hope for successful rebellion, serves as a powerful commentary on the resilience of authoritarian regimes and the fragility of human resistance in the face of overwhelming power. In conclusion, chapters. And as always, if you like this bookly crash course video, make sure to smash that like button and leave a comment down below.